How do we simplify the square root 108? Well, let's get started. First, I'm going to create a factor tree to find all the prime numbers that multiply together to equal 108. So I'm going to begin with 2 times 54. 2 is prime, so I will circle. And then we have, 2 times 27 is prime. And then 3 times 9. 3 is prime. And then 3 times 3. They're both prime. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write all the prime numbers underneath the square root sign. So we have a 2 and a 2 and then a 3, 3, and 3. So that gets all the prime numbers. So now, since it's a square root, I can pull out pairs. So I have a pair of 2's and a pair of 3's, and I have a 3 left underneath the square root sign. So I have 3. I can multiply 2 times 3, which is 6, square root 3. That is simplified. If you'd like to estimate what it is in decimal form, remember it's an approximation. I know that it's between 100 and 121. Square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 121 is 11. 108 falls like here. I would guess maybe 10 and 2/10. And if you put it in the calculator, it's you're gonna get 10.39, etc., etc. So it's not a bad guess, not a bad estimation. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember, kindness multiplies kindness. Be kind to someone today.